thought this was just gonna be like a mile bike ride, but it's turned into like 6 something.
Yeah, dog.
All right, young Groms. We are following up with our active lifestyle right now, getting in a bike ride. A heavy drive home with the Nature Shape stop. It took like almost 4 hours, but we're stoked right now, getting it all in. Still have to finish my pop-ups, but I ran 2 miles already, surfed once, and yeah, we're fired up. Let's keep going. I fully thought this was just gonna be like a mile bike ride, but it's turned into like 6 something. My whole thing is I'll never say no when my dad wants to add extra, because I should be in good shape. So whenever he's like, we're doing this, I'm like, we gotta do it. This is hard. Like, this is not exactly fun, but the bike is just great cross training and got my pop-ups done, so I'm stoked right now. We're coming to the close of like a 5-6 mile bike ride, and in the moment I was like, this sucks, but I'm actually living my dream life right now, exercising every day, pushing it super hard. I mean, we woke up like 100 miles from where I am right now, so it was a full day, and yeah, I'm just so stoked right now. Glad to be like healthy enough to train and get this bike in. I'm so lucky that I stayed healthy through all this training. We still have a few more days to go, but looks like they'll be swell, and I'm pretty excited, definitely nervous, but just keep sticking with us. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. We're super stoked right now. We're gonna end this vlog today, but as always, we will see you in the next swell.